What's happening, guys? How's it going? We're back on another explore. The abandoned air raid shelter underground. It's like a hashtag with the SOT crew.
Oh, it's down. It's down, yeah. Ah, help! It's getting
Mr. Yorkshire.
Is it?
Do you want to do the honours? And then I'll...
Jump up or something?
Yeah, we'll fucking sort that after.
T420 Tom down the hole.
I thought it was going to be like a proper ROC post. It's nowhere near an ROC post, guys. And that's a bit tight with my bag.
Yeah.
That's tight with my bag, really. That's one.
Cody.
Yeah.
Underneath Wigan city centre. It's nowhere near.
No way. This is the underground RAF. What is it? It's a RAF shelter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an air raid shelter.
Air raid shelter.
Air raid shelter underneath Wigan city centre.
Yeah.
City centre.
City centre. The greatest. This is crazy. I've got ducked down a bit, man.
Yeah.
You nearly touched your roof.
I know, man. That's touching roof, that. Oh, that's getting into another part, isn't it?
That's where I
Been
was
back.
went. Oh, down there, yeah. And there's a little bit blocked off.
Yeah, it's like a hashtag, look. It's definitely.
Shout out to Explorer we found when we went to been on this location.
Yeah. Nice one, Carl. Exploring with Carl. Link in description.
Yeah, this used to be apparently the area for a big mill building down here.
This is the escape tunnels, I think.
Yeah, escape tunnels, yeah.
It's blocked.
What that way? Is that blocked all around there?
It just links around to the if you end like.
How does it?
Yeah. This bit's a blocked off section.
Don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
Yeah.
Got Instagram or anything?
I used to have a little channel, but
Plug the Instagram while you can.
Yeah. Definitely sticking a sticker down here somewhere.
Crazy, isn't it? You don't find somewhere to drive it. Well done.
Yeah. This is crazy, guys. Air raid shelter. It's not very often we see an air raid shelter.
We managed to get down in this hole.
It's been backfilled, all of it's been backfilled, hasn't it? Little trolley there. Mails. It's got male. So has this got female? Yeah, female. So to see that there, guys. I wonder what that was for then. It's got like arrows. Female. That's weird.
there's what you found when you come Wigan.
Hey. Listen.
What you found when you come down here.
Yeah.
You live around here?
No, we're from Stoke, we are.
Stoke?
Stoke-on-Trent.
Fucking hell.
We do this every weekend though, really. We go all places. Yeah, yeah. I'll have to give you my channel name, or even I'll give you a sticker and you can go check it out.
Where are you? That's better. You see?
Yeah. Canal does go round, doesn't it?
Yeah?
Does go round.
Yeah, it's stuck as well.
It is a bit slippery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Lou.
Happy days, guys, happy days. That's a bit deep, that is. That is a bit deep, isn't it?
Yeah, it goes further down.
Oh, nice, boy, it's even muddier.
Yeah. No, they're all blocked off.
Yeah, that's blocked off.
When it's summer, it's fine, it's quite dry. See?
What are you trying to do? Fucking kill me, son? Trying to bomb
Goes both ways.
back this way.
What?
What's what? Yeah, trying to touch
Oh, it's blocked up anyway.
I don't know if I'm going to explain this to my mum.
Them your new trainers as well?
Hey, I'm lucky.
See?
Every time I come here, I come back with muddy shoes.
It's the dead end.
Where's the other guys gone?
Around there they are.
Oh no.
It's deep, that is, isn't it? It's no light fitting, I think that's.
See,
When it's dry, it's alright, but when it's like this.
when it's summer, it's a lot better.
I bet it's hot in here in summer though, isn't it? As well.
See, this is not as bad as section 20 sections.
Yeah. Bit deep down here.
And I'm doing it.
I don't know. Got found the way out yet. Hey? I don't know, you're around somewhere.
The back over.
It's another exit.
Some of them are loose.
Have you been on doing it? Hopefully you don't get lost.
No, it won't. Oh yeah, this is the secret room, yeah.
I don't think anyone gets this far. You have to like crawl.
What's up there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's an old tractor seat there. Cool. What's up there?
Careful.
what?
Are you going on?
Is it blocked? It's a yay or nay. What's this? I found the stash. Yeah, that's up.
So they've got that.
What about Lou?
As if that was a toilet.
Yeah, it's like a big one.
Reckon? That white stuff in.
What is that?
I don't know. I thought I'd found the stash. It is cool, isn't it, in here? Even though I've got
My underground series.
a bad neck like that, but
Yeah. What's this? Is this actual, is it cocaine that?
I thought I'd found the stash in it.
I think it's someone's cocaine, they're just like left it. Oh my god, it's solid as well, isn't it?
The cocaine stash.
That's one thing I won't be doing, is putting my hands in it.
That's lime.
Is it lime? Oh yeah, when they kill people, they put that over top of them, don't they?
Like this, it's for use it in plastering and stuff like that.
Don't get in your hands.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I wonder what the string's for as well. Is the string for the way back?
Yeah, something like the barrels.
You guys go to this college here then?
Yeah. Because this used to be part of college, didn't it, the other place?
Yeah.
This time I'm getting
I know, I'm getting back on myself now. They're here. I can hear them clicking away.
No, yes, I
Can can hear you clicking away. Like, oh, we need to find Andy and Kate, we need to find that. Oh, yeah, we're getting... It's proper muddy. Well, you've got...
That's the worst of it.
Yeah. That's blocked up down here. That going round that way goes to this end. Because I came to this here. Let's see if you can find your way back, I think that is. Crazy. So these would have been the old trolleys, guys. That's the rail track, probably. This is a bad frame. It's up here, I think.
No, whereabouts is it that? It's full of smack kids on it. Yeah, go up north, it's almost like road, isn't it? Seen that wall there, look, females.
Yeah, it says males, there's one on this side as well. See?
Liam, is Auntie used to work, Auntie used to work, and she, what they call it, got plans for this, and it used to be in hospital.
Yeah.
That's what that bed frame is down there, it's an hospital.
I thought it was something to do with that. Luke's hospital.
Medical section, that's it. Yeah. And apparently they were all gas type doors, gas sealed doors on these.
Yeah, I can imagine, yeah. It's got the old timber on there still.
Yeah. Cool, isn't it?
That's not me.
Someone's been walking. About the size of 14 and all.
Someone's been walking the walls. Is it you?
Yeah. Yeah, bottle of piss. They'll have to dig this out.
Bottle of piss. You got some shots, guys, I think.
You need record me. You need me record.
T420 Tom Explores coming out of the underneath the city centre. There he goes.
Shut the gate.
Look at the size of lump that they've dropped off.
I know, yeah. That's what they've put on top, innit?
Yeah.
Or would have done. That's crazy. So that's that one, guys. Hope you like the little video. We're going have a look at somewhere else now. So thank you, Carl, mate, Exploring with Carl, for sharing this location with us. I appreciate that very much. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to go subscribe to Urban Lad Yorkshire. Go subscribe to him.
Hit my bell.
And comment that you come from my channel to his.
Yeah, and then I'll pay him.
Yeah.
I'll pay him the money later then.
Yeah, 5 pence per subscriber.
Yeah. Yeah.
See you in a bit then.